Hello students, in this session we will discuss about deletion operation in double linked list. Now deletion of a node from the list. In double linked list, the process of deleting a node falls into three cases as front deletion, rear deletion and any position deletion. Case 1, front deletion. In this case, the front node information is deleted from the list. Procedure: algorithm F deletion. This function deletes the front element of the list. Now observe this procedure. If start equivalent to null, that means elements are not available, then return -1. Else, if elements are available, now first access the data part of start node as k equivalent to data of start. If start equivalent to end, then start equivalent to end equivalent to null. Otherwise, temp equivalent to start, start equivalent to r-link of start. L-link of start is filled with null pointer. R-link of temp is filled with null pointer. Finally, release memory of temp. And if return k and if. Example, this one initial status of the list. Here it consists 4 nodes 59, 24, 26 and 64. Now we are applying F deletion operation. That means we are deleting the front node of the list. Now front deleted element equivalent to 59. So after deletion, now the status is 24, 26 and 64. Case 2, rear deletion. In this case, rear node information is deleted from the list. Algorithm R deletion. This function deletes the rear element of the list. Step 1. First we check whether elements are available or not. If end equivalent to null, then return -1. Else, if elements are available, now access the data part of end node, k equivalent to data of end. If start equivalent to end, then start equivalent to end equivalent to null. Else, now we set one pointer variable ptr that points to end node. End equivalent to l-link of end, r-link of end equivalent to null. Release memory of ptr. And if return k and if. Example, this one initial status of the list with 4 elements 59, 24, 26, 64. Now we are applying R deletion operation. Hence rear deleted element equivalent to 64. So after deletion, now the status of the list 59, 24 and 26. Case 3, any position deletion. In this case, a specified position element is deleted from the double linked list. Algorithm any deletion of POS. This function deletes the specified position POS element of the list. Step 1. If start equivalent to null, then return -1. Else, ptr equivalent to start, p equivalent to 1 is a repetition process. Repeat while p less than POS, temp equivalent to ptr PTR equivalent to R link of PTR, P equivalent to P plus 1 and repeat. Now access the data part of PTR, K equivalent to data of PTR. Now we break the links as R link of temp equivalent to R link of PTR. L link of R link of PTR is filled with L link of PTR. L link of PTR is filled with null pointer. R link of PTR is filled with null pointer. Release memory of PTR. Return K and if. Example, assume the initial status of the list as 4 elements 59, 24, 26 and 64. Now we are applying any deletion of 3. That means third position element is deleted from the list. Now it prints message as deleted element equivalent to 26. So after deletion, now the list becomes 59, 24 and 64. This one deletion operation. Okay, I hope all of you understood those operations. Now finally, disadvantage of double linked list. So when we observe in double linked list, we can traverse in forward direction and backward direction, but traversing from a specific location is not possible. To overcome this disadvantage, we go for another type of linked list known as circular linked list. Okay, thank you one and all.